Hello, friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Art of Trading Mindset. And now, a quick update on the US market. This is the chart of Dow Jones on the screen. You can see now currently Dow Jones is trading on 42,000 points. There you can see when market took reversal from this point, and it is a trading on this point 42,000 points from 36,000 points. It has till here it has delivered a good, very awesome return of 15% in just few days. The market you took U-turn from this point. There you can see on the chart on 19th of April till today we are standing on 16th of May. Now market has delivered more than 15% in just 1 month. This was the clear confirmation. I'll show you something on the chart when the confirmation had come. But before that, you can see this is actually the confirmation with the market confirmed on the day candle, because this is the day candle, and day candle confirmation is very strong confirmation if when it happens with the big candle here. So there was a big candle confirmation happened. Then from this point, from 33,000 points, market made a high of 45,000 points. There was a surge of more than 12,000 points, and then market made double top here, then started correcting. So there was a correction of 7%. This is actually the correction of 7%. Again, market has taken U-turn and going up. Again, you can see there on the chart, it is trying to give the confirmation on the day candle. In case it is closes with the big candle today or tomorrow or Monday or Tuesday, then the market momentum will be changed, and the momentum will be very huge with a huge strength in the market, and this will not take much time to cross this high, or it will be reaching very soon in just few days and touching this high. So the opportunity will not be there in case you do the investment. This is actually the right time to invest in the US market. Actually, this was the right time to do the investment when market had given the confirmation. I'll show you in a little bit small time frame, which is hourly time frame. There you can see on the chart that this was exactly the point when the market gave confirmation here exactly. This was the point when market gave confirmation. That time market was standing on 40,000 points. Now there is a surge of 200 and to 2,500 points from this point. Huge gain from this point till here. Again, market is not going to stop because it is continuously going, going upward with the gap ups. So when the gap up, now you can see this was the gap up and this was the low for SL, and the market is trading. Market did not even come back to its low. It has taken U-turn from here itself. Now you can also see how the market is taking the support. Now I'll show you in just little bit small time frame. So this is actually this was the zone where the market gave confirmation. Now you can see there was a gap up. Market opened with the gap up, and this was made this low, this support again. The market is opening either gap up or neutral, but it is continuously taking support on its previous low. So continuously it is taking support, and even when it was a gap down, it sustained and went up. So there you can see it made it came back, but again there was there was a huge gap up. Again, market is sustaining on this point, and it is going to sustain on this point, and even it is going and making higher and highs. So there was a confirmation when the market was close to 39,000 points or 40,000 points, and now it is on 2,200 42,000 points. So there has been a huge gain in the US market in Dow Jones. I'll also show you the S&P 500, where you can see a huge surge in S&P 500 as well. So exactly this was the point. This was the point when market gave confirmation, like Dow Jones had given. Again, it also made double top. There was a correction of 1,400 points from this 6,200 points. Again, from this point, 4,900 points. Again, it is standing on 5,900 points. It has covered 1,000 points from this point, which is 20% of 20% rewards has been delivered from this point. huge momentum, huge momentum. There was a, you can see there was a huge gap up, and market is continuously sustaining. And this was the huge gap up, market is sustaining. There was a huge gap up, market, was range bound. Even then, when gap up happened, it is sustaining. I'll show you how the market is taking support in here also in this S&P 500 chart. So there you can see in the hourly candle there was a confirmation, and that was the low for SL. Now market is going continuously and taking support. You can see how the market is very beautifully taking the support from its previous low. So this was the actually here the confirmation happened and market went up, then took support from this point, gap down again, took support, went up, then again it gapped up, then took support, stood there itself, again took support and went up, again gap down but sustained, gap down, even sustained, and again gap up, sustained, and took support here. And there again there was a huge gap up very recently, and the market is going continuously, making higher highs and going up. So the 20% rewards has been delivered in this American market. Now, when the market, there you can see, like I was telling you, the market, the Dow Jones is giving the confirmation. In case it gives confirmation with the proper candle in the day candle, then it will become huge, huge. Uh, it will come under huge momentum. And now this is actually the good candle. There you can see, and huge momentum with the huge gap up was there in the market. Now again in last 5 sessions, you can see market is going upward from this point. Again, I'll move Meta. I'll move to Meta also. Meta, I'll show you something quickly. In the day candle, huge reward has also been delivered by Meta. This was a huge correction. Then market is going continuously up. It is gap down from last 2 days. Even it is sustaining, and now you'll see it will be trending. Very soon in coming 1 or 2 days. I'll show you something very, very surprising on the chart of 1 hour. Now, there you can see there was a huge gap up. This was the gap up, and the market sustained, sustaining, even gap up again, sustaining and sustaining. Now, this gap up is making today's market sustained. Again, this will be trending, and you will not believe on Monday or Tuesday again market will be gap up or will keep on going upward. So same thing also, you can see in Tesla, huge momentum in Tesla has been, in past few days. From this point, now you can see day confirmation with the good candles have come on the chart. Now from this made, you know, bottom, and from bottom it is continuously going. I'll show you in hourly candle when the confirmation had come. So this was actually the confirmation when market said that I am going from this point. Actually, this was the point. That time the stock was trading on $250. It is standing on $350. The gain of $100, which is just 40%, which is 40% of total, of this price in last 1 month, less than 1 month. It was started going from 23rd of April. Now we are standing on 16th of May, so it is less than 1 month, and the 40% reward has been delivered in the market. See, if you are able to recognize the market, then market gives good return. Uh, but there it takes a lot of effort to do the analysis and all. I'll show you Plantier Technologies as well. Plantier Technologies, there you can see. I'll put this chart in the daily candle, hourly candle. This was actually the point. The low has not been broken. It is going upward from this point. 9th of April, the stock was trading on $78. Now it is trading on $120, just double, close to 80-90%. Return in this stock just in 1 month. Again, I'll show you also This is actually Indian market Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also gave good, return. It has delivered a lot of, a return from this point. There was a gap down just because of the tariff news. Then, but it did not stop. It kept on going. It is halting here again. It it has made gap up again, preparing for gap up or move up. So you don't worry that market is not going to come. Market is going to go, and it is going to it is going to do gap up once again, and will keep on going. Same thing you can also see on the Nifty. There was a huge gap up. The market is sustaining. Market is continuously taking play the support from this point, like you saw in some stocks of US market. Again, I'll show you Netflix. Huge momentum or reward is delivered. This was a confirmation. You can see that this was a proper confirmation when market. Then what? There was a gap up. Now it has kept on going so far. It has it kept on going so far from $900. It is standing on $1,200, close to $300 gain of you can see more than 35% in this stock. As well as, let's see, Apple actually at one uh, point Apple gave the confirmation, and it said I am going. So actually this was the confirmation zone, and this was the low that should not be broken. Market came here till here, again took U-turn, and now it gapped up and now ready to fly from this point, and again gave the confirmation it will be going. If you have something you are holding, please be on holding, and and very soon it will be delivering very huge reward. And I am also showing you something in the same thing in Amazon. This was the actually confirmation. This was the low for SL, and this was actually the exit point. But market is standing continuously. Huge gap up was there, again gap down. Even market is sustaining. It will keep on. It will be keep on going upward. It will not come back. Same thing also happening on the Alibaba. Alibaba, you can see this was the point actually when market is, gapped up. Now this is the point where market is continuously taking the support. Now you can see yesterday's market took support. Again, today's market gapped up and taking support of this previous day's support. And okay, I'll show you something very interestingly in the gold also. There was a point when gold confirmed that it is going up. That time it was trading on $33 $3,300. It made a low of 34 $130, and then again it gave confirmation that I am going to come. Again it reversed back, but this high, the of high the high of this previous high, this has not been broken so far. Since it gave confirmation, it is continuously coming down and moving down. You can also, same thing you can see in the silver as well. And uh, this was actually the it looks very volatile. Uh, we'll leave it, no issue. Few stocks I can see in the very new have given the momentum. The Adobe system, it gave momentum from here. That time it was $367. It is standing on $445. Huge momentum. Again, Walmart gave confirmation here when it was close to 83 $80, standing on 98, or went made high of $100, gain of 20% in just few days from 9th of April to 15th of May. So these are the stocks. There you can see a lot of momentum has come in the market in US market, and US market itself is saying that I am going up, and this momentum, I hope this momentum is going to again make the high, they test previous high, then do the consolidation and again try to go up, because the same thing has been seen in the American market in the Bank Nifty as well. There you can see on the chart. I'll show you. There these were the highest market made. When market starting going up, you can see, so there was a huge momentum in just 5 days, and then consolidation, gap down, and then market with the day it gave, it started going up. It did not give time to even get into that if you don't aware about this. And then again, huge, this consolidation is happening, and this is the actually confirmation that market is again going up. And the I'll show you something, then again gap up here, gap up. If you see in the hourly candle, there you can see there is huge gap up. It is becoming support. Now again market will do the gap up and will keep on going, will keep on going upward. And same thing I showed you, I think, in Nifty as well. So this is the update. I'll show you something in crude oil as well. So now there you can see this was actually the point market gave confirmation that I'm going up. Market went up till here from this 59 dollars to $64. It's a huge momentum. Okay, close to 7 to 8%. Then now again coming down. It is still sustaining here. I hope that it will not come uh, down further, and it will keep on going. And natural gas, this was actually the confirmation when huge confirmation had come with the big candle. Either confirmation should come with the big candle or gap up. Then also, if you see any gap up, that is also an invisible candle. So this was the actually confirmation market from here. From here, you can see $3 and traveled up to $4. 30% return was delivered. Again, market given confirmation. No, I am going down from this 3.75 dollars. It is trading close to three and half dollars. So actually, this is the whole story of the world market. I showed you crude oil on which every economy of the world is dependent. I showed you the natural gas, how the momentum is happening. When the market is, giving the momentum, it is going in momentum for many days, for many days. So try to catch the momentum like this, okay? Even if you're not able to, catch the momentum, the day it gave confirmation, no issue. We can catch the momentum on some other point, because in this momentum market will not come back. Once it makes low, just pick the stock. So this is the update, and thank you so much. And this is my request to subscribe the channel and like the video. And I'll keep on coming with the same with the analysis with the same analysis with the different stocks as well in future. Keep watching. Thank you so much.